Okay, everybody. Hello, hello. Did not expect to get this in so quickly, or expect to do it unboxing with my little one. Um, but so this is the signature. Okay, yes, the signature edition from Ashton Drake Galleries. This is silver and gold twins. Grayson, hey, get down, baby. I gotta open it. Hold on. You gonna help mommy? Yeah? Hold on. Don't mind her. She's a little messy. She just finished lunch. Oh, hold on. Hold on, sissy. Oh, how... Oh, it's a little littler than I expected. Let's see. Oh, look at there. Okay, I guess she'd just rather play with the box. Very cute. Oh. Grayson, hold on, baby. I like the bow. It's really sparkly. These are their silicone limb babies. It's a little harder to do. I know most people don't show the face till the end, and normally I don't either, but with my, yes, with my little dirty assistant over here, I'm kind of doing things a little backwards. These are initially going to be hers one day, but she's way too little right now, obviously, so they will be put up and taken well care of until she's old enough to collect them herself. These little ribbons. All right. Ooh. And it comes with a little booklet, which we'll get to in a minute. Kind of like I said, apologies doing this a little backwards because of my 1-year-old. She likes them. They're more her size. Got the netting still on the hair. Oh, you okay? You getting overexcited? Yeah. Oh, oh, how cool. Okay, so the bow will stay because it's a Velcro. Oh, gentle. Good job, sissy. Oh, sorry. Open up the blanket. Their little wrappings on them. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Okay, hold on, sis. Oh, oh, they're really soft. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can't play with these ones yet though, sissy. Hold on. When you get older. Do you want your baby? Where's your baby? Oh, of course they tape it. Let's see. They have little hair nets on. Let's see if I can. Looks like rooted hair. Let's see. There we go. Oh, I was trying to leave the bow on because I'm doing this one-handed. Let's see if I can get some of her. Oh, her hair is so soft. Look how cute this little face is. Oh, really? Yeah? Everything's yeah right now. Oh, her hair. I love it. I love this. Oh, she's so soft and squishy. Oh, look at that. Let's see if I can get her bow on one-handed. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to put you down. Not the best bow job, especially when my little one is trying to, but oh my gosh, the detail is so cute. I mean, like I said, they are a little bit smaller. They look to be about, I'd say 13, 14 inches. I believe they're supposed to be 13 inches. I didn't read that description until after I ordered them, but they are silicone, so can't seem to. Okay, let's see. Hold on, sissy. Mommy's trying to. No, let's not take the bow off. But thank you for helping with the net. Let's see. Let's look at her. Oh, she's just as cute. And her hair is just as soft. Oh. Oh my, look at her little face. Oh, she's just so precious. And she's, oh. And she is the stuffed body. Let's see. She is pretty decently weighted for her size. I mean, look at this hair. And her pretty little eyes. Oh my goodness, they are just so cute. Look at them. I'm so excited to, no, Grayson, get the rest of the stuff off of them. And, oh my God, they are just so cute. And these little outfits, I mean, look at this. I'm trying to get to their hands, but man, they pack them well. Hold on a minute, I'm sorry. Got one out. Guess I should have waited till the little one was napping, but I was so excited. Look at the little fingers. They're pretty. They seem pretty flexible. I mean, there's no benders or anything in them, but oh my God, they're just darling. Definitely worth the purchase. Was a little worried because sometimes, you know, you order something and they're not quite as like their picture or not as well made, and you will definitely not be disappointed with the Silver and Gold Twins by Ashton Drake. Thank you for watching.